Hi friends! Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Home Remedies presents how to keep avocados fresh for days with this trick. Avocados are a healthy and tasty tropical fruit rich in essential nutrients our body needs to properly function. This delicious treat can be eaten raw as a snack or in salads, but you can also add it to your morning smoothies for a tasty beverage that will help you start the day full of energy. Avocados are rich in fiber, potassium, vitamins B, C and E, healthy fats as well as folic acid, which can significantly improve your overall health. However, there is one problem with avocados. They brown pretty quickly. Even if you leave the pit in, the avocado would still brown in just a few days and lose its freshness, which is why many people throw them away after a day or two. You can find different tips and tricks online that are supposed to keep the avocado fresh, such as spraying lemon juice on it, but most of them don't work. You can spray all the lemon juice in the world on your avocado and the flesh would still turn brown. Luckily, I'm going to show you a simple trick that really works and will keep your avocados from browning. All you need to do is cut the fruit in half, then put each of the halves face down in a container with a bit of water. Put the lid on the container, then put it in the fridge to keep your avocado last for a few days longer. The same trick works even if you have used your avocado to prepare a delicious guacamole. Just pack it nicely in an airtight container. Make sure that the air bubbles are out and sprinkle the tasty guacamole with some water. Put the container in the fridge and you can keep it fresh for 3 to 4 days. Whenever you want to eat some of it, just pour the water out, take out some guacamole, then repeat the process again. While we are talking about guacamole, here's a tasty recipe that I have fallen in love with. Ingredients: 2 avocados, a small lime, half a jalapeno pepper, 1/4 cup cilantro chopped, 1/4 cup red onion chopped, 1/4 cup cherry tomatoes, half a teaspoon sea salt, a few garlic cloves minced, a tablespoon of olive oil. Preparation: open up the avocados and mash them. If you like your guacamole extra creamy, use a food processor. Now add the cilantro, garlic and lime. Then add the spices and other ingredients and mix well. Leave the guacamole for 10 to 15 minutes. Then serve it and enjoy. If you found this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value. And don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.